Am Streit Diwernam vu Warner Brothers töcht Netflix a Paramount huet Donald Trump sech lo zu Wort gemeldt. E Freude huet Netflix fir eng Offer gemat fir Warner Brothers fir 83 Milliarden Dollar ze iwwerhoelen. Méindech du kom eng Gagenoffer vu Paramount iwwer 108,4 Milliarden Dollar, e Rekord an der Branche vum Streaming. Eng Iwernam seitens Netflix gesäit den US-Präsident Donald Trump dann awer kritisch.
Should they be allowed to buy Warner Brothers? Should Netflix?
Well, that's a question. They have a very big market share. And when they have Warner Brothers, you know, that share goes up a lot. So I don't know. That's going to be for some economists to tell. And also, and I'll be involved in that decision too.
Did they make?
They have a very big market share.
Did he make any guarantees to you about the merger if they do merge?
No, not at all. He came up. He was in the Oval Office last week. I have a lot of respect for him. He's a great person. But he's done one of the greatest jobs in the history of movies and other things. He's got a lot of interesting things happening aside from what you're talking about. But it is a big market share. There's no question about it. It could be a problem.
Dat ganz mies den Lo an aller Ro beschwatzen bei den Diskussionen wie hier selber dann noch aktiv mat involvéiert heget selber seitens dem US-Präsident Donald Trump. Ma eure méigcht Matspruche recht beim unbeleefte Sender CNN an die deels eng kollegialer Familiärverbindungen zu Paramount kenten drop hinseiten, dats eng Netflix Iwernam net wirklich géif vu Washington begréist ginn.